Incredible tiny homes. Look at that sky, Amanda.
Isn't that pretty?
Wow. Look at that. All right, look at this. How many people's got these many tiny homes laying around here? Now that right there, isn't that a Dalton right in front of us?
I don't know.
Look at that. See that grace? I love that color combination. Look here. All right, everybody. Welcome to Incredible Tiny Homes in Newport, Tennessee. We're going up there, going to show you a Dover today. It's a 10 by 20 up at our sales lot. And just wanted to walk around here, and we were pulling out. Look here. Watch out, Mr. Steven. And I wanted to show you. It astounds me because I wanted to show you all what's going on at Incredible Tiny Homes and all the raw materials, all the work. All this is about building tiny homes across America, affordable tiny homes. So anyway, a lot of y'all don't get to see the workings of everything. See how we recycle all of our cardboard? These are our foam panels. These are door remnants. Every one of these panels is from a steel door. The inserts cut out, and then we fabricate these to build our Incrediboxes.
I want to show you. This is like our employee parking lot.
Yeah.
It's like the Walmart parking lot. Look at how many people work here.
Wow.
It's amazing to think that coming from the backyard, that this many people make a living now because of Incredible Tiny Homes.
Yeah. I had one truck, Amanda. Now look at him.
I know. Remember the van?
Yeah.
And I still have the van. Does everybody remember the van?
I used to write phone numbers on the side of the van of customers.
He used to write on the hood. I would look. I was like, why is there numbers all over the hood of the van?
Now look at all the off-grid water tanks we got right there.
Yep, and look at all the trailers.
I guess we can roll your window down now.
Yeah.
Yep. And the trailers we have
today.
over 100. Oh, I think there's about 150 trailers here for
Wow.
our Incrediboxes. They're the foam behind that little. It used to be an RJO shaped house.
Yeah, and that one's waiting to go on the mountain.
Yeah. And then right here to the left, Amanda, as we go out, of course, that's the prairie community.
Look at all these beautiful houses, and everybody's got them painted, decorated, and looking so nice. We're in the middle of weed eating, and we're in the middle of cleaning up all of our yards.
Yeah, landscaping's coming, the fence, and then of course
trailers.
we got more trailers and home parked here.
Oh my gosh!
Storage here, Incrediboxes. A lot of these homes are getting ready to go to the mountain when we're done.
Look at the houses.
This one here, says mountain on it. Over there is getting ready to leave. And then we come up to our sales lot.
Our sales lot. My goodness, look at the houses.
That's an Incredibox we took to a show.
And listen, that Incredibox is still for sale. That's something
the orange one is?
It's still for sale. We've been trying to sell it.
What's wrong with Tim?
Well, we haven't even told anybody about it. It's like it went to the Florida show and then it got sold, but it didn't. It's still here, guys.
Man, we need to sell that. Incredibox is ready to go.
I mean,
and it's stuccoed.
Oh, it's a special. It is a unique house because there's so much done to it. We need to show it again, honestly.
Well, all right.
Oh, you want to show it today? I mean, Lord goodness, it's just so much going on. I forgot about the house, I have to say.
Yeah, this is a 12 by 20. We got a Abingdon, but today is the Dalton, the 10 by 20 Dalton. I just want to keep rolling because I like for you all to feel the sense of where everything's at, where we're parked. Look at Tim.
Look, here comes Tim. He looks like he's delivering a pizza.
Look here.
Look here.
Look, you see him in the mirror.
Pizza. Hey!
Hey, Danny!
How are you doing, Danny?
Hey, buddy!
Are you guys? Are you
Come
here to
here,
look at
Dan.
houses?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look.
Oh, look at here.
Dan, look at these cookies.
Dan, get a cookie.
Are those low fat? Yes, they are.
Dan, get you
Wow! I want one of these.
Oh my gosh.
Danny, which one you
I
want?
want an M&M.
We're trying to welcome
Wow.
people.
We'll get a cookie.
Hey, I've done went around and given all the guys today.
Oh my gosh!
There
you go.
Can I just say these cookies came from TVA.
There you go.
TVA,
Really?
where we have our accounts, and they're going to come out and they're going to do like an open house kind of thing for all the residents.
The credit union.
Nice.
And they brought everybody
How
cookies.
nice. How
about that?
So I'll do a shout out to Amanda over there. Love Amanda. She's so sweet.
Aw.
And TVA over at Exit 8. Those ladies take care of us.
They
so,
do. They're
yeah.
great.
TVA, Tennessee Valley Credit Union.
Tennessee Valley.
Can I have one more?
Authority. Look at that. Now, Randy, introduce who's in front of you here. All these men.
I'm just a nobody.
No.
You're not a nobody.
This is Tim. Tim is in charge of our sales, and Will is in charge of our sales. These two guys do all the sales. If you come here to buy a house, email, you're talking to Will and Tim right here. And then Danny, he hauls our homes for us.
Dan.
Dan.
That's okay.
Dan.
I'm
Dan.
gonna call you Randy.
Randy.
And let me tell you what Dan does. If you ever go to Dan's Facebook, what's your Facebook? What's the name on?
Just Specialty Trailer Transport.
Specialty Trailer Transport. Dan posts, he don't post stuff about hauling. He posts pictures of his food. Everywhere he stops at all the time.
Where'd he go?
Just don't back up.
Oh, you do. All
Look,
Dan
they
does
do
is
some
look
marketing.
at here.
There
All
it is.
There we go. There's Dan. And
What-
if you go to his, Rainy, make sure where I can see it. I can't see it.
Whatever he wants,
Yeah, put it,
whatever-
bend it down. There
Hand
you
it
go.
down.
There you go.
Whatever you want hauled, he'll haul it.
Yeah.
That's right.
But if you go to his Facebook, you're going to see what he's eating that day.
Oh, I do like to do. I'm a little bit of a foodie.
There you go.
That's right.
Now, where'd you get that accent?
Well, I was born in New York City, just over the bridge, Brooklyn.
You didn't stay there long.
No, I didn't. No, I was born and raised in a little town God skipped over called Thomaston, Georgia.
That got skipped over. Well,
Awesome.
Dan, you're awesome.
Well, I sure appreciate y'all, and ITH has been awesome to me. They've been a blessing to my business, and I love doing business with them. I love the customers I meet. We're getting ready to haul this beautiful home right here.
Oh, the
right
Abingdon.
here.
Yeah,
Okay.
about 28 miles up the road right here. This one's not going far.
Okay,
Oh,
good.
wow, okay.
But we got, oh man, I just secured
Hey,
2 or
is
3
that
more
going to
today.
Overhome? Is that going to Sneedville?
Oh man, I'd have to look at the address.
I bet it is.
Mooresburg.
Mooresburg, okay.
I
Oh,
know.
Mooresburg.
Well, there you go.
These guys are awesome. We can't do without them.
No.
I'm talking. You got anything? They will look at me talking with a full mouth.
Well, that's it.
Can't do
That's
without you
okay.
guys, man.
I appreciate y'all. I appreciate
much.
y'all. I don't haul for any other manufacturer. I have hauled 1 or 2 for some other manufacturers. I've seen their frames. I've seen their trailers. I feel comfortable hauling these trailers. These are just good homes. I know the people that build them. I don't like to advertise or push anything I don't believe in myself.
Aw.
And I've just been in sales all my life, and that's just how I am. If I don't believe in it, I don't want to be nothing a part of
Wow.
it.
Well, Dan's a good
thank
one.
you,
I
buddy.
remember meeting Dan the first time, and it was awesome hearing the sales lot. Now I think it's on a Saturday morning or something, or Sunday.
It started out a long time ago with one that had been stuck way up in Indiana
Yeah.
that 5 people had turned down.
Yes.
And at first I was like, God, I got it. And then I thought, well, maybe I was the dummy. Maybe there's a reason, but no, it sailed right
It
on
was
down here.
Yeah.
Minnesota.
Yeah, that's right. That's
Minnesota.
right.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And we've been in ever
We've
since.
been tied ever since.
Yeah, well, you're not but a gentleman.
Look at here. You might have been in Thomaston
We
yourself,
been-
girl. You've been sneaking down to Georgia. You better watch it. You better
Oh,
watch
you
it.
better watch
Hey, it's all downhill from here.
Dan, whatever you need, he won't stop. He will get it
Yeah.
delivered. Whatever
And
it
now
takes.
we've also got 4 other guys with our company and an 18-wheeler flatbed. So,
Good. Awesome.
You know, we can go
Professional
8,000
outfit.
pounds or 80,000 pounds.
Nice.
There you go.
Yeah.
That's
Keep
it.
that in mind
Specialty
if you need
trailer
materials.
Well,
transport.
I need to talk to you about that. I'll get with you. Yeah.
Okay, good deal.
Thank you, buddy. Hey, look here. We got Wayne over here.
Bye, Dan.
Look at him.
Hey, he's done had one.
He's
today.
done up to his elbows in them
Dan,
cookies.
take some more of them cookies with you. You're going to need them tonight.
We're not supposed to be eating.
We're not
them,
supposed to
Wayne.
eat
I just got out.
Oh, hold your mind.
Yeah.
All right.
There's Wayne. Wayne don't want to be on film.
Wayne just woke up from a nap.
I got this tan in there. And then after the
Wayne's been
coffee,
asleep.
Sandy said, "Looks
See,
like
you
I've
will.
been to the Bahamas."
Yeah.
I said, "I have."
Tiny House Bahamas over
Yeah.
here.
But one lady over there, she said, "You're the one that was on that video about the stucco." I said, "Yes, ma'am. I don't look like that now. I'm a different color." Anyway,
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw some garbage in there. And
Okay.
I'm sneaking off.
There
Okay,
you
buddy.
go.
I
Thank
got
you,
them
man.
lined out, man. They got 2 to work on. And,
Good.
Awesome.
and Justin's back.
Oh, good.
Cool.
He went to the zoo today,
Good
didn't
deal.
he? He
Good
went on a
deal.
field trip.
He's a good one.
He's a good one.
That girl Jessica,
She good?
man, good.
Good.
Tearing it up.
She does the work too, man.
Good.
She'll crawl up in them lofts and everything just like a man.
Good.
Isn't that something?
She's
Good.
a jewel.
Good.
Aw.
All right.
Come on, I'll see y'all.
All right, buddy.
Bye.
All right.
Hey,
I'll
tell
talk to you.
Sandy I said hi.
I will if I'm
Okay.
able.
All right. Look at Dan.
Oversized.
This one, these ain't for the cookies, they're for the house.
I'll take this.
Two cookies later.
Oversized, baby.
I just want to say Specialty Trailer Transport.
Yeah.
Always legal, always insured.
Yeah.
Perfect track record.
You got it.
5-star.
You need to be on WWE. That's what you need to do. Look, that's his belt right there. Look here, Specialty Trailer Transport. transport.
Yeah.
Right there it is.
That's it. Give him a call.
Oh, yeah.
Dan's-
He said 2 cookies in. He got that big sign. 2 cookies in! 2 cookies in! There ain't nobody here worth killing. There ain't none of us worth killing.
Oh my gosh.
Now,
See you,
look.
buddy.
Bye. Well, we got to show it. That's what
I got to get out of his way. He's about to back in there. Oh.
Dan, you ain't wearing Crocs, are you? Oh my God! Don't!
Look, he got Crocs on. That's embarrassment.
Hey,
You!
if you ain't rocking, you ain't rocking.
What'd he say?
He said if you ain't crocking, you ain't rocking. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. I'm done.
He's going to drive it like he stole it, isn't he?
Oh my God. What a man. Oh, get me out
Come
of
on,
here.
come on, Ace. Get out of there, buddy. Wow. Man. I'm glad we turned that camera on. Lord, I got him. He's all right.
Oh, good. Oh.
Woo!
Oh my gosh, look what's leaving.
Yeah, an Abingdon.
An Abington.
Ooh. Is that not the cutest cottage?
This is only about 20 minutes, maybe 20, 30 minutes from where I live.
Yeah.
Where it's going to.
Isn't
Ain't that
it?
pretty?
I love that. Man.
Live edge.
Hey, who designed that?
Yeah,
Who come up with that?
Who come up with
I would
that?
say an expert architect. This had
That's
to be
right,
almost
that's
computer
right.
generated.
Yeah.
This isn't. This too perfect to be man-made.
Isn't that pretty?
It's beautiful.
Wow.
She's going to be happy.
That is a beautiful tiny home, man.
And I just want to do a shout out to her because she's the lady who does my eyes and stuff over at Walmart.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. You talked about her.
Yeah, she's nice. Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Congratulations. She's
Cool.
going to be excited.
Well, where's our Dalton at? He wanted.
Well, we got to go find a Cookie Monster.
Here.
There he is!
Hey,
Tim!
Tim, come here. Look at him hiding.
Look at him skulking around.
Look, he didn't bring the cookies back.
What are we supposed to be showing?
Yeah.
Okay, the Dalton over here. Randy? Oh, okay. He's got that one over there. I forgot about it. When we in Florida, we can sell that thing.
Yes.
I forgot.
Yes, we can.
Randy, the Florida house. We forgot about
Yeah, let's sell it too.
sell it
Hey,
all.
I gave you the wrong price on that text message.
Okay. With the Dalton, where's it at?
Right there.
All right.
All right.
How much you gonna sell it for, Tim?
$69.9. We
$69.9.
reduced it to $69.9.
Do you get some cookies with it?
You know what? Honest to God, you buy that house today,
Yeah. What do you get? What do you get, Tim?
What are you going to do?
Come on.
I'll give you a tray of cookies.
There you go.
And
From
not just
TVA.
any from TVA. I'm going to have them give you the cookies.
We'll call TVA and have a tray of cookies laying in there. Gosh. How big is this, Tim? What we got, man?
This is 10 by 20, baby.
10 by 20.
10 by 20.
I love
It's a
this
gorgeous
house.
house, actually. You know what I
That-
really
this
like?
is no dormers.
I wouldn't have thought of that color scheme. That's a great color scheme.
Yeah, it pops. Yeah, with the
With the blue. It
yeah,
got
well,
the
with the
blue.
gold roof too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that is beautiful.
That is
Now
so
this
pretty.
is one without dormers.
Without dormers.
Okay, so that means everything's on one floor, which made the bathroom bigger.
Randy,
Which I like.
One level living.
One level living.
That's when
One
you start saying
level living. One LL. Yeah.
See how they did the two different colors?
I love it.
Yeah.
Yep. The exposed rafters, the board and batten in the gables, the frieze boards always point out, the corbels, the 30-inch sweeping overhang, you know, with the stain grade soffit. You got horizontal, and this is all LP, which is minimal over upkeep. Then this has got all the amenities, like it's got an air exchanger, farm style sink,
see.
and then because of this is a larger bathroom, because there's no staircase,
Yep.
it gets a 36-inch shower.
Beautiful.
And Amanda, actually, this diamond coat siding, this is 50-year warranty.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not going to warp. It should not fade.
No.
Should not have any issues with
Fade,
this.
crack, peel, or dent.
Even this. This is all done in the same thing.
It's
so
beautiful.
You don't have to paint it. It's
And
great.
let's see, and you're not just a salesperson, but you're also a customer.
Yeah, he bought a house from
I
us.
bought a house.
He's about to get his.
He bought a house and we hired him.
in that order. I had to buy the house first.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm not gonna hire unless you buy a house.
Exactly. Exactly.
Wow.
All right.
In fact, if you buy this house today,
Yeah.
we may give you a part-time job.
There you go.
There you go.
You never know.
never know.
Employment included.
Employment opportunity.
Employment opportunity.
And
You
then-
will be.
Yeah. And then after Randy takes you through a walk of this, if you decide that you do have interest in this house, email sales@IncredibleTinyHomes. We actually may be able to help you secure a lot.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
there
right.
Not
you go.
100%.
So we might have a
so
lot
you have
for
a
you.
choice. You could just buy it, take it with you, drive
Yeah.
it away, or there is a lot that I understand this morning may be
Yes.
available.
Yeah.
So I'm not promising anything, but
Yeah.
I might be able to help you. So if you don't have a place to live and you need a home right away, you don't
Yeah.
want to wait 3, 4, 5 months.
This is ready.
This is ready.
Ready to
This is
go.
on the trailer, ready to go.
Ready to go. Yeah, ANSI certified.
And,
Yeah.
yeah. Yep. And it's 10 foot wide, so it's 10 by 20.
And you can hire Dan to haul it.
Yeah. Oversized.
Overtime.
Let me get a little step stool for you.
Hey, Tim. Have you got a key?
Dan, if somebody buys this house, you'll haul it, right?
Absolutely.
That's right.
Hey, from Carolina to California. How about heads Carolina, tails California?
I love it.
If you keep that on longer, we're going to be in Nashville here in just a minute. You know
Oh
what?
man. Well, now my little town is close to Alan Jackson's hometown. Now it's right up the street.
Oh,
So,
there
you know,
you go.
doing what I love and loving what I do.
Knee slapper. We all need to go to Broadway.
Woo! Got me.
This place is nuts.
Yes, it's nonstop. And we're waiting for a key, so
Well, how we gonna get
hey,
this
it's a
deal?
good time for our station identification.
Oh,
right
wow.
back.
Oh, we'll be right back.
How about it, Ace? You want to tell them who you are, where you're
Look
from,
at him.
what you've been doing? Look at the burrs in his nose.
I know.
Aw, he's been in the office all day long. He's ready to go to the mountain.
I can't believe he took a nap that long.
Ah, what do
Well,
you think,
are we-
buddy?
We're on, we're off.
No, we're going to come right back.
We're going to come right back.
Okay.